Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is December 18th, 2020, and the market is officially closed. So let's take a look at how everything broke down for this week. So right in front of you is the chart of S&P, that is SPX. And as you recall, last week I was looking for the market to continue to push higher and to get to newer highs. So what did it do? It did just that. So if you look, we are at 3709.41 for the close. We made a new high this week of 3726.70. So we made those new highs and it just continued to move. And what do you think I think is going to happen? Yeah, it's going to continue to move higher. That's a no-brainer, right? We got nothing in our way. We have no clear signals of the market trying to do any reversal. So why don't we stick to what we see instead of what we think? And right in front of our face, we see the market continue to move higher. So let's go on. Market, Christmas, rally. We know how it gets down. So that is the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out IWM. So that's IWM. That is, if you remember, the index fund for the Russell. So IWM continue to move higher, and what do we think is going to continue to do, right? It is going to move higher. It has nothing in its way right now, and it's just continuing to champion, and we got low trading volume. There's a lot of things factoring into how it can just continue to move higher. So let's get up our own way and make sure that we make money with the trend. So IWM should continue higher. Price target is around 200. Forgot to say, price target for S&P is still 4,000. So that's as simple as I could put it. That is the market wrap up. Remember to check me out every single week here on YouTube. You can also catch me any social media. That's going to be Instagram, Facebook, StockTwits, Twitter, all the same handle at Wincrease Team. And any questions that you do have, make sure you contact me. And that's going to be wincrease20@gmail.com. I may or may not do this next weekend. You know what? I am going to do this next week because the market closed early on Wednesday. So next week's episode will be on Wednesday. Don't forget that. Christmas is next week. So enjoy your weekend. Spend as much time as you can with your family and friends because, you know, COVID's trying to attack that as well. And we'll catch you next week. All right. Peace.